Last month, British Columbia announced it was launching a lawsuit to recoup some of the costs of the opioid crisis. It is the first province to go after the pharmaceuticals giants in a class action lawsuit. That province is on pace to set another record in overdose fatalities. Unless something changes, more than 1,500 lives could be lost in the ongoing opioid crisis. The lawsuit will argue that pharmaceuticals knew they were promoting a product already proven to be highly addictive and still deliberately played down the risks. 40 companies will be targeted, but a decision obviously could take years in this one. This is where we bring in Danielle Smith from Global News Radio 770 CHQR. Danielle, is this just the start? Can we expect more provinces to follow suit?
I hope so, actually, because I think that the pharmaceutical industry needs to be held accountable to this. It's interesting when you hear a lot of the public information campaigns going on right now, and we play a number of these ads on our radio station. It goes through and it has in a parent's voice talking about how proud they are of their kids and what they inherited, what their kids inherited from them, their eye color. They take their sweater, but they also take their pharmaceutical drug prescriptions. And this is where I think we ended up with the beginning of a crisis. So they were over-prescribed to parents. And so the first avenue where a lot of young people got access to them was in their parents' medicine chest. And then because we ended up with a number of people trying to steal these drugs from pharmacies, they made them tamper-proof. And as a result, we started seeing more and more dangerous drugs coming in onto the market. So now we've got fentanyl that is as you pointed out with the statistics, killing people across the country. So I don't know that the Purdue Pharma is responsible for the number of deaths directly that we're seeing right now, but they are absolutely responsible for creating an environment where they downplayed the risks of addiction, got many, many people addicted, and now we've got this desperate situation that's hard to turn around. So we're going to speak with BC Attorney General David Eby today to find out what the merits are of the case. I know that Alberta is considering following suit on this. And so we want to see whether or not they're likely to be able to get some kind of compensation, what they're intending to do with the compensation, and the kind of arguments are going to be made. And so we'll find out more. If their case is successful, I suspect you probably will see other provinces follow suit. Yeah,
and just how long this is all going to take in the meantime. Thanks for this, Danielle. Much more on Danielle Smith's show starting at 9:30 on 770 CHQR.